Stop what you're doing. If you're invested in USCR or thinking about buying this token, you need to hear this immediately. USCR is claiming to be backed by the United States government. But after my deep investigation, I discovered the shocking truth. Stay with me to find out what it is. This $110 million market cap token is fooling thousands of investors with misleading patriotic branding, and I'm about to expose exactly how. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Today's investigation comes directly from a recommendation by our valued Insider Club member Roger, who suggested we dive deep into these 4 controversial crypto projects. Roger, thanks for the fantastic suggestion. This is exactly the kind of critical analysis our community needs. Today we're starting with USCR, and trust me, what we're about to uncover will change how you think about patriotic crypto claims forever. Let's start with the biggest red flag, the name itself. USCR stands for United States Crypto Reserve, which immediately suggests government backing, right? Wrong. Despite the patriotic branding, USCR is actually a community-driven Solana token launched in October 2025, with zero official U.S. government endorsement. Here's the smoking gun. According to the website CoinCodex, USCR states that GOV in their tokenomics refers to Go Value, not government. This is a classic case of misleading branding designed to create false legitimacy. The token claims to hold $1 billion in reserves across XRP, ADA, ETH, and BTC, with on-chain transparency. While this transparency is actually legitimate, you can verify these holdings on-chain. The key point investors miss is that holding these reserves doesn't grant you any legal claim to government backing. You're buying a community token, not a government-backed cryptocurrency. Now let's talk numbers. USCR has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, currently trading around 11 cents, giving it a market cap of $110 million. The tokenomics reveal extreme whale concentration risk, a classic setup for potential manipulation. With modest liquidity on Solana DEX, large holders could easily move the market. Compared to the legitimate U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, which is an actual government program, USCR is playing in an entirely different league. The real U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve involves actual government holdings, while USCR is essentially a community experiment with clever marketing. Let's be clear about the red flags here. The misleading government implication, the recent launch timing, and the extreme concentration risks. These aren't small concerns. They're fundamental issues that should make any serious investor pause. However, I want to give you the complete picture. The project does have some positive elements: transparent reserve holdings, active community development, and legitimate on-chain verification of their claims. The team isn't trying to hide anything. They just chose an extremely misleading name. From an investment perspective, this is a high-risk play. The patriotic branding might attract retail investors looking for government-backed crypto, but informed investors will see through the marketing. If you're considering USCR, you're essentially betting on a community-driven project with clever branding, not a government-backed opportunity. So here's my honest assessment of USCR. It's not a scam per se, but it's a highly misleading project that capitalizes on patriotic sentiment and government association claims. The U.S. Crypto Reserve name is pure marketing genius, but it comes with significant ethical concerns. If you do decide to invest in USCR, go in with your eyes wide open. You're not buying government-backed cryptocurrency. You're buying a community token with transparent reserves and questionable branding. The safer play is to stick with established cryptocurrencies or wait for legitimate government-backed digital assets if and when they emerge. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. For the rest of the year, we're offering new members access for only $3 per month. What do you think about USCR's misleading branding? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll investigate MasterBot and its NVIDIA partnership claims. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. The information I presented here is based on my research and does not constitute fact. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.